Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we saw that the price line was closed above the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame chart. Now the question is that are we going to be rejected by this EMA 21? Because right now the price line is moving below this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will be rejected or it will be moved up from here to the upside. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video description I have shared to join me here. Now, first of all, let me to show you this chart. And this is a very small time frame 1 hourly chart. And here the price action was previously moving in a falling wedge. And here in my previous video, I told you that it is possible that the price action may break out this resistance of the falling wedge because it is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. Now we have a breakout from this resistance of the falling wedge. You can see that the price action has broken out this resistance, but so far it is retesting the previous resistance as a support again and again. And now if we connect all these wicks of the candlesticks, like these candlesticks are appeared here, from this wick of the candlestick and this one as well, then we can see that now we have another layer of resistance. Therefore the price line now needs to break out this resistance as well, and once the price action will be able to break out this resistance on this small time frame, then we can expect that the price action can hit the target of this falling wedge, that is the tail of this falling wedge, approximately at $40,000. And now if we switch to the daily time frame, here we can see that previously we were rejected by this very strong resistance of $42,000 that is coming from here. We can see that previously it has been working as a very strong resistance here as well, and now at this time it is working as a very strong resistance here and here as well. Now it has broken down on the daily time frame this at $39,500 support level and moving down to the next support at $36,000. But we have another that is a weak resistance, weak support, but we have that support as well at $37,500 as well. If I place this trend line here at $37,500, then we can see that here it has been working as a resistance, and here for a while it has been working as a resistance. Like we had a rejection, price action moved down, retested the previous support of $36,000 and broke out this resistance of $37,000. And same as like here we have this resistance has been working as a support. Like previously it moved down, had a very slight rejection, moved up, but again moved down and broke down to $37,000. And right now it is testing the same support that was previously working as a resistance several times. It is testing that level as a support. If we switch to the small time frame, for example, on the hourly time frame chart, and we can see that the price action is now likely to be consolidated above this level. However, this is a very small time frame. We cannot decide based on this small time frame, hourly time frame chart. We need the consolidation on the daily time frame at least to have a firm idea what the price action can do. If we will have a slight sideways move here, then it will give us an understanding that the price action is now having consolidation, and from here we can have a reversal move. And this bullish shark pattern that I shared with you in my previous videos is still valid. You can see let me show you this pattern as well that I shared at the Patreon, and now I'm just going to show you this one as well. Before this, the price action formed this bullish bat move and we had a very powerful reversal, and now on the smaller time frame we are having this bullish shark move, and this is a perfect bullish shark. However, it is on the smaller time frame, therefore we should be careful. We should be stick with our stop loss You can see that the buying zone of this bullish chart starts from $37,796 and goes to $37,800. As in my previous videos, I told you that we can have it drop up to this level for the completion of this final leg. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action has moved at the very end of the buying zone of this bullish shark move. At the same time, it is testing this $37,500 support level as well on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, the price action, if I switch to the daily time frame, you can see that is also going to test this EMA 21 on the daily time frame. That is good. If I place this Fibonacci tool, then we can see that the price action has been retraced exactly here at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. That is a normal retracement, and from here we can expect a reversal move even up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement is a good retracement once the price line has started a rally towards the upside. Now, if we previously see that the price action, what the price action did when it broke out the EMA 21 daily, then we can see that several times it had been retesting the EMA 21 daily for the continuation of the move. Therefore, it can be a healthy gesture, a bullish gesture as well, that the price action is testing the EMA 21 daily since after it has broken this EMA 21 on the daily time frame. So again, this is very important time for the Bitcoin because at the same time it is testing the EMA 21 daily, and it has broken out this resistance of this falling wedge on the small time frame, hourly time frame chart, and testing the previous resistance as a support, and also testing $37,500 support level. And we have several days remaining to recover above this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart. And the most important thing that on the weekly time frame, let me replace this stochastic oscillator again. We can see that it is still just has started the move towards the upside from the oversold zone, very close to oversold zone. Therefore, we have a lot more capacity to move up because this is the oscillator. Once it moves in the oversold, then it moves in the overbought zone again. So we can see that for past several days, several weeks, it has been moving in the oversold. So now it can move to the overbought, and it is a possibility that the price action may move sideways and then start a move towards the upside, and it will enter the overbought again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.